Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Chase banking account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you change or update your Chase business account password? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to update your Chase banking password anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that security is really important, especially if you're housing the majority of your business funds in Chase. It's good practice to change your password every so often, maybe every 3 months or 6 months at least. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Chase online banking. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there. But I've already logged into my Chase account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to change or update your password, here on the top right, you're going to click on this little person icon. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on Profile and Settings. All right, once you do that, you'll see this menu here on the left, and you want to click here on Sign In and Security. Once you do that, you want to click on Password. Okay, here is where you can go ahead and update your password. So first, you're going to go ahead and enter in your current password. After you've entered in your current password, you're going to go ahead and set up your new password, and you need to type in the password once again to confirm it. Now you can open this up right here, Password Help. Okay, here they do let you know that it has to be 8 characters, at least 2 of the following: 1 letter, 1 number, special character, and nothing in sequence. Also, it can't be any of your previous 5 passwords. Once you've filled this out, go ahead and click on this blue Save button. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to change or update your Chase banking password, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.